out here at my Wyoming property, the sideways compound, and we got Cooper, we got Dylan. Dylan has the lifted Miata that you could see way off in the distance, maybe. It is turbocharged and a Miata that's lifted with big ass tires, and it hauls ass. We're gonna do some fun stuff today with the Justy and the Miata. So let's go.
Can we make these windows boneless?
Yeah, well, I don't know. I like the windows. So the Justy still runs. It's been here the whole time. It took a minute to start up, but it started up. It doesn't have very much power though. It's like almost difficult to make it move. If you guys can even hear me. Hopefully we don't crash into each other.
Yeah.
I'm coming for you. That is like undoubtedly the coolest car ever. Oh shit, this is gonna be a big one. He sees I got the camera out. He's jumping from about here, and he's landed like... Yep, there's the dust cloud. Cooper's gone. Cooper's gone. Yo, that is fucking sick. Hell yeah. How's it feeling?
Good.
Hell yeah. We brought some shovels over here. Maybe we can like, it's hard to dig far, but you can move a little bit of like the initial layer.
Yeah.
And maybe get a little bit of like a lip. We also like, I don't know, this is just the first one I found. I was driving around the Justy and I was like, oh, that looks like I could jump in. It kind of worked. But maybe like something else, I don't know. Also any of the groundhog dirt moves really easy.
Yeah, so that's where the jump I was trying to build there, it started because there's a big groundhog pile. Like
oh,
that.
okay, yeah.
Like, yeah, I'll just...
Yeah, we gotta borrow their dirt, sorry guys.
End up running out.
Yeah, hey, sorry guys, we're borrowing your dirt. Good to go.
All right.
We're taking a ride in the Miata. Dude, that's insane. Oh my god. Yeah, the way it takes all the little, oh yeah, the door doesn't work. All the like the holes and everything is like pretty solid. Got a mouthful of dirt. Wyoming dirt. All right, we just spent maybe an hour. I don't know. There's no, time doesn't exist here. We just spent some time moving dirt from here to here. This looks sort of like a ramp, and we're gonna treat it as such. It is terrifying. So from about, I don't know if you could see like dimensions, but from about there to the top is probably 3 foot. It's about there on Cooper. So that's about a 3 foot jump with no landing. And also you kind of got to clear, Dylan, you kind of got to clear this little ridge here. There we go. Yeah.
That was so much air.
That worked really well. Oh god, the dust cloud! I bumped my head! I hit my head on the roof! Oh yeah, we're professionals, don't try this at home. Ouch! How's the car?
I mean,
That was a full smash though.
that was pretty good. All right, so we found a piece of the Justy.
Yeah, I was barely moving. I felt like I was barely moving, and then the car was just
coming.
like, yeah.
I saw you coming. I was like, man, he's going faster than I thought he would.
All right.
Battery wasn't tied down, but
I mean,
still isn't
yeah.
tied down. The engine's still there.
We got all 3 cylinders.
Yep, still got all 3 cylinders, still got 1.2 liters of displacement. Dude, this thing's a fucking trooper.
It really is. That rate.
Yeah.
You're feeling it? A combo of the dust and the roof on your head.
Yep. Well, I got bonked on the head, and then I also got bonked on the butt by the seat, because the seat's...
You got a chunk eaten out of it. Someone was hungry. You're about to drive Dylan's Miata.
Yep. A lovely turboed something horsepower, I don't even know. 200 horsepower with...
That's all it needs, right?
Oh yeah, it's so much better than the Justy for some reason. I found a bone. I don't know why this was important to film, but I found it. This is mine.
It's gonna go on our pile of treasures.
I'm gonna get smacked with that. All right, so we're gonna be mapping out some sort of course so that the trusty Justy can race this little Miata thing that has no chance against the Justy, obviously. And I'm just talking shit because...
Maybe if I do the course in reverse.
So we're both front wheel drive. Yo, that one's kind of brutal. All right, give us a good amount of like turns and stuff.
Okay.
All right, guys. So what we're gonna be doing? We're racing the Justy against the Miata. Kind of set up a course around here, but with a bunch of cones. That's about, you know, what we call a course.
Yeah.
I haven't driven it yet. I don't think, Dylan hasn't driven it either. And the only disadvantage I have is Dylan starts backwards and I get to start forward because he makes twice as much power as me. And he's like a little bit barely, but a little bit more set up for driving off-road than me. Not much though. I wouldn't give him too much of an advantage. It's already a clear decided winner, so it's gonna be me. Loser has to, we're gonna drop them off at the back of the property, which from the back of the property to the front, it's like over a mile long and they're just on their own. They gotta figure out a way up there. It's not even, you can't even see it from here. Maybe Cooper can, but.
Might freeze to death. It's actually really cold
Yeah,
out here.
it's kind of cold, it's kind of windy. It's not as windy as it was last time we were here. At least the cars will stay cool. We got one good thing going for us. Mine's carbureted. All right, we'll figure it out.
It stopped working a while ago.
Yeah.
Yeah. Third impact.
Start your engine.
Start your engines. All right, on 3, 2, 1, go! That's on the last lap. We got Dylan coming up. Final lap. Woo!
I think he just ducked. Yay! So since the race was way more fair than I had originally anticipated, we're gonna do a normal start, and we're gonna see how this goes, because I had a clear advantage with the J-turn start, but
yeah, and considering you don't have to worry about your car,
yeah,
Dylan has something that he cares about.
Yeah.
I mean, I wasn't worried. I lost fair and square.
Well, I mean, the start really is what got you.
That was a big disadvantage.
And then once I was behind, the dust, I couldn't see.
Oh yeah.
The only thing I'd say is I just felt water, which is bad. So when we go into like the first turn, if you're not fully in front of me, make sure you don't dive, okay?
Leave the space.
Yep.
Leave the space.
There needs to be a passing.
It's wherever you want it to be.
No,
all right.
Ideally, no contact.
Yeah.
It's racing. Roman's racing, so if it happens, it happens.
You can break. I'm not worried about mine, but I'm more worried about yours.
Yeah.
All right, let's go again, and then we can get out of here because it's gonna be cold in like a half hour.
Yeah. You ready? You ready? All right. Oh, he can't see, he can't see! All right, we can't see what how half of the race is going. We see occasional Matt out there and an occasional Dylan, and I'm worried he's pointed straight towards me. All right, we're good, we're good. We're good. All right, there he is, let's go, 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 go! Oh, get him, get him! Where are they? Where are they? Oh, no! Even being smoked out, you still did really good.
Oh man.
The Justy more like the Dusty, because that's how it won.
That one was fair and square. I lost, dude. That was first turn.
Yeah.
And then you stayed to the inside, and then after that third cone, it was so dusty. I had to slam on my brakes because I didn't want to like go right in the back of you. So then you got like 50 feet in front of me, and then I just couldn't catch up.
Shit.
Yeah. No, literally just the dust created from this thing.
I was looking back to see where you were, and I was seeing the dust, and you were just like jumping out of the dust, and I was like, ooh. Also, at some point, the second or third lap.
Somehow that cone's up right now.
I saw that.
I was smashing cones. I was not like. I was like trying to stay within the course, but also like
going.
I couldn't.
The course
see
is
anything.
just merely a suggestion. But no, like the car just died right there, and I was like, no.
This?
Yeah, like it was like they like stopped. It might have kind of ran out of gas. And then like I was just like
sucking up air.
Yeah, so that it just came back to life, and I was like, okay.
Very eventful. Honestly, we might need a little bit of rain. Just a hair. Just so it sticks like dirt to the ground.
Oh yeah.
And then you would actually have a fair race because you wouldn't be blinded by a cloud of dust. Literally, the moment you guys left this corner area, I couldn't get any video of over there because it was just, the wind just blew all the dust all the way over straight into the track. You would have blown past him.
Guessed if he was actually, I kind of want to try being in the dust.
Let's
see
do
how
it.
bad it is.
Let's do it.
Yeah. All right.
We can have.
Just don't spin out. I'm just gonna trust you.
Okay.
Yeah, you haven't even driven the track yet without being in the dust yet. So this will be actually quite enjoyable for you. Matt is just a little scared to hit the big jump. Just a little bit. How dusty was that?
Dusty and the Dusty.
That feel better?
It's a little better.
Yeah? Yeah?
Oh yeah, it was dusty back there for sure.
Yeah.
I wasn't even looking where I was going. I was looking where you were going.
Oh yeah.
I was like, if he drives off a cliff, so do I. I couldn't see the course at all. I was like, he's over there. I'll go over there.
The course is getting it's
The
getting
course
its
is fun. I think this is more of a rally cross, like one at a time. Still
Yeah.
not quite big enough for wheel to wheel. I think we need a little. There's no passing area.
Yeah,
Really.
exactly.
there
Yeah.
needs to be a long straight somewhere. A few of them.
Well, yeah, like sort of like I don't even like if.
Hear me out. This is the inner course.
Oh, and then just.
And then we attach part of this to a bigger course.
Oh, there we go.
So, considering you lost the last time, we'll count the last one, right? Well, we'll have a bunch of cool tire walls soon.
Yeah. Oh yeah, we have
Yeah.
a ton of like all our throwaway tires. We're just gonna bring them here.
They cool tire
Rather than
walls.
paying
So
to dispose of them, and
yeah,
we have cones for
Yeah.
course markers and stuff.
theoretically more tires can appear here with your guys' help, but
Yeah. Yep.
yeah.
Hell yeah.
Sweet. Well, I feel like this was a pretty good eventful. We're starting to find the high spots in all the ground from it,
yeah.
from all the roots.
Yep.
Like right here is really noticeable. Just
Well, that was sick. We need to work on the course because his car is kind of, it's made for going real fast in a straight line and stuff. And this course is just small and tight. Even though it's bigger than the first course that we built, we just need a real big course to really be able to, stretch it out and, possibly do some passes and stuff. But other than that, we got a successful jump. So that's what's really important because I wasn't totally sure how that was going to work out with just the three of us with shovels because this ground is really very hard. Surprisingly, that worked out. So if any of y'all want to come and jump your car on the jump, just let me know and I'll let you break your shit.
we won't stop you.
I ain't gonna stop you, yeah.
Somebody build a Miata to race with me.
Yeah, we need Miata v Miata because clearly the Justy is too superior. I need another Justy to come here and compete with
Maybe
the
a
top.
Geo Metro. We need to find a Geo Metro.
Yo.
'Cause that's like the equivalent.
Yeah,
isn't it?
yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Three cylinder, 3-door, shit box. That's front wheel drive too. They even have an all wheel drive option, but that one's just front wheel drive. I'm dying. The dust sucks here. All right, get out. See you later.
All right, I lost fair and square.
I'm taking his car too. Maybe you should fix your door too. I stalled. Oh, dude, you got a flatten one of these?
Well, it was flat when I bought it, and I've been trying to patch it. It's in the side.
Oh, okay. I thought you meant you like blew it out here or something. I was like, fuck. Yeah, these things look like they would do
I
like
know, they're
they would
so
do really
good.
well in like the sand.
Like right here, the sidewall patch
Oh,
is
okay.
just not working. I've
Yep.
tried it. This is like the third or fourth time. It's just not gonna work.
Damn,
I mean, the tires are only $20, so.
that's sick. Yeah,
But yeah, it's.
yeah, those things would have been mean. But yeah, the paddles you were talking about out here would also be really maybe really nice in the dirt. All right, that was a great day. Cooper had fun. I had fun. Dylan had fun. Justy did great, as it always does, because it's a Justy.
Yeah.
Dylan's car did great. Thanks for watching. We are gonna head home and cry. I don't know why we're gonna cry, but just 'cause. Bye.